What's the part 3, guys? And part 2, part 1. No. So angry. Part 3, guys, makita nyo na complete ko na natin ang bridge. Here we go. Yes, let's go. Okay lang yung kahit nilip niya ako like bula. Kung mapanood niyo mo lang to, Abby, how dare you left me? Narinig niyo? Pow! 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 This is easy. Easy. Oh no, this is again. Oh my god. Na-explode ako. Nakalimutan ko, bawal nga pala pumunta dun. Sorry of that, guys. That's just someone. There we go. Now, okay. What's the part of hop onto the roller coaster, and let's get out of here. Yes, let's go, bro. What are you doing? Nandito lang si Abby. Bakit mo kasi ako binitray, Abby? How could you do this to me? Bagal naman. O sa internet ko, hindi tumagay. Nakita ko sa mistake lang. Hindi siya kasi ang bilis ang bilis na mabilis na naman. Onte. Okay. Kakaroon ata ako dito. Wala naman yung button. I can't believe I can fly. Ouch. Sakit naman nun. So, guys, dito na nagtatapos ang video na to. Kung gusto nyo po ng maraming OBs na magaganap sa video na magawa ko sa next time, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe and comment what I'm gonna play next. Bye-bye!